A rainy day surprise present perfect version. Anna lives in a small town at the foot of the mountains. She loves nature and often goes for long walks. She has spent many happy hours exploring the forests and trails nearby. One morning, she has woken up to the gentle sound of raindrops hitting her window. Dark clouds cover the sky. The town looks quiet and empty. "Oh no, it's going to rain all day," she says, feeling a little disappointed. She has always looked forward to sunny mornings, but today feels different. Despite the rain, Anna doesn't want to waste the day. She puts on her bright yellow raincoat, grabs her umbrella, and decides to go to the park nearby. As she steps outside, the fresh smell of wet earth fills the air. The streets are quiet and almost empty. The rain has made everything look shiny and new. Anna enjoys walking slowly, listening to the rhythm of raindrops on her umbrella. She has always loved walking in the rain because it makes her feel calm and peaceful. As she walks through the park, she notices little details. The leaves shining with water, puddles reflecting the grey clouds above, and small birds shaking off raindrops. Anna feels relaxed and happy. Suddenly, she sees a small dog under a bench. It is wet, shivering, and looks very scared. "Poor thing. Are you lost?" Anna asks softly. The dog's big brown eyes look at her with hope. He wags his tail slightly but doesn't move. Anna kneels down and speaks in a gentle voice. "It's okay. I won't hurt you." Slowly, she reaches out her hand. The little dog steps closer and sniffs her fingers. Anna smiles. She carefully picks him up, wrapping him in her coat to keep him warm. "I'll take care of you," she whispers. "Don't worry." On the way home, Anna asks her neighbors if anyone has lost a dog. Nobody knows him. She realizes the dog must have been alone for a while. When Anna gets home, she gives the dog a warm bath. He shakes happily, sending water everywhere, and then licks her hand, as if to say thank you. She gives him some food and fresh water. He eats quickly, then curls up on a soft blanket near the fireplace. "I think I'll call you Max," Anna says. The dog tilts his head as if he likes the name. From that moment, Anna and Max have become inseparable. The next day, Anna calls the local animal shelter to check if someone has reported a missing dog. They say no one has. "He can stay with you until we find the owner," they tell her. Days pass, and Anna and Max explore the park together. Max loves jumping over puddles and chasing leaves blown by the wind. Anna has bought toys for him and even made a small bed by the window. Every morning, Max has woken her up with happy barks, ready for a new adventure. Anna has noticed that Max has learned many things quickly. He has followed her on walks, waited patiently at street corners, and even recognized some of the neighbors. Anna smiles every time Max has surprised her with his cleverness. One rainy afternoon, Anna sits by the window with a cup of tea. Max has been lying on his blanket, watching the raindrops fall. Anna thinks about how much joy Max has brought into her life. She realizes that helping a lost dog has created new happiness for both of them. One evening, just as Anna is finishing her dinner, the phone rings. "Hello, is this Anna?" a man asks. "We are calling about Max. He ran away from our house last week. Could we come and see him?" Anna feels a mix of emotion, sadness, because she has grown attached to Max, but also happiness, knowing he has an owner looking for him. The next day, the man arrives with his young daughter. Max jumps and barks excitedly when he sees them. The little girl hugs him tightly and whispers, "I missed you so much. Thank you for taking care of him," the man says. "He seems very happy with you." Anna smiles, feeling proud but a little sad as she watches them leave. She thinks she will miss Max terribly. The next morning, there is a knock at her door. To her surprise, Max is there, wagging his tail and looking excited. His owners explain, "It seems Max wants to visit you every day. He loves being with you, and it makes us happy too." Anna feels overjoyed. She realizes that kindness and love can create unexpected connections. From that day on, Anna and Max spend many rainy and sunny days together. They walk in the park, play in the yard, and even go on small adventures in the forest. Anna has learned an important lesson. Helping others, even animals, can create joy and friendships you never expect. She also realizes that kindness and love have brought magic into everyday life. Present perfect examples in the story: has woken up, has always loved, have become, has bought, has woken her up, have brought, has learned, has been lying. Tip: present perfect is used to talk about experiences, repeated actions, or actions that started in the past but are important now. Words like already, yet, ever, never, just, for, and since often appear with present perfect.